Welcome to Practice Easy English. Phrasal verbs for learning and education. Brush up on. To review or improve knowledge or skills. You should brush up on your Spanish before the trip. Sure, I'll review some phrases tonight. Figure out. To understand or solve something. Did you figure out the math problem? Yes, I finally understood it. Keep up with. To stay informed or updated about something. How do you keep up with current events? I stay updated by reading the news every morning. Take in. To understand or absorb information. Did you take in everything the professor said? Yes, I absorbed all the information. Make out. To understand or perceive, often with difficulty. Could you make out what the speaker was saying? Not really. The audio was unclear to me. Work out. To solve or resolve a problem, find a solution to something. Did you work out the answer to the riddle? Yes, I managed to resolve it. Look over. To review or examine something quickly. Can you look over my essay before I submit it? Sure, I'll review it for errors. Pick up. To learn something quickly or effortlessly. How did you pick up French so fast? I grasped it quickly by practicing every day. Go over. To review or revisit something. Can we go over the lesson from yesterday? Sure, let's review the key points. Tune in. To pay attention or become aware of something. Did you tune in to the lecture? Yes, I listened carefully. Take up. To start learning or practicing something new. Have you taken up painting? Yes, I started last month. Read up on. To learn about a particular topic by reading a lot. Have you read up on the history of Rome? Yes, I found it fascinating. Break down. Explain something by separating it into smaller parts. Can you break down the process for me step by step? Sure, I will explain it to you. Set aside. To reserve time or resources for a particular purpose. Did you set aside enough time for homework? Yes, I made a schedule. Check out. To investigate or explore something. Did you check out the new library on campus? Yes, it's really nice. Get through. To complete something, usually something difficult. Did you get through the difficult part of the book? Yes, it was challenging, but I finished it. Find out. To discover or learn something new. Did you find out the answer to the question? Yes, I did some research. Keep on. To continue doing something. Are you going to keep on practicing English? Yes, as I want to improve. Sign up. To enroll or register for something. Did you sign up for the workshop? Yes, I'm excited to attend. Go through. To examine or experience something thoroughly. Did you go through all the exercises in the workbook? Yes, I completed them all. Work on. To focus on improving something. Are you going to work on your writing skills? Yes, I plan to practice more to improve it. Drop out. To leave school or a course before completing it. Did he drop out of college? Yes, he decided it wasn't for him.